It breaks my heart that I cannot be with you tonight. I was looking forward for this incredible moment, and I was excited to share the stage with my dear friends and amazing artists. But unfortunately, I cannot perform at the moment. But I would like to send you my love. I saw your messages, your comments. My heart is full when I read them all. Thank you so much for your support. I'm sure I will come back stronger than ever very soon, and that I will perform again with my dear friends. So I wish you good luck for tonight. I'm sure it's gonna be a great concert, and I wish I was there with you. See you all very soon.
Hauser expresses deep sadness that he cannot perform at the concert as planned. He shares how much he had been looking forward to the moment and to sharing the stage with his friends and fellow artists. Although unable to be there, he sends his love to the audience and thanks them for the supportive messages and comments that have filled his heart. He promises to return stronger very soon and looks forward to performing again with his friends. He wishes everyone a wonderful concert and says he wishes he could be there with them, ending with a warm promise to see them all soon.